In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio script on OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any written script into a clean, natural-sounding voiceover using OpenArt's built-in tools. Start by heading to the OpenArt website and opening the Suite Home. Once you're there, look to the left sidebar and click on Audio. This takes you into the VoiceOver workspace, where everything you need is organized in one place. Next, choose an audio model. Think of the model as the engine that powers your voice generation. If you're unsure which to use, start with the recommended option on the page. You can always switch later if you want a different feel or language capability. Now, type your prompt, the actual script you want spoken. Paste your text directly into the prompt box. Keep sentences clear and use punctuation to guide pacing. Commas and periods help the voice pause naturally. If you need short dramatic pauses, line breaks can help. Keep things concise and conversational for the most natural result. Choose a voice that matches your project's tone. You'll see options spanning different styles, accents, and energy levels. Picture your audience and the context. A warm, trustworthy voice works for tutorials, while a brighter, higher energy voice can suit promos. Select the one that fits your message. Open the voice control section to fine-tune the delivery. These settings shape how the performance sounds without changing your words. Adjust speed to control the reading rate. Slower speeds increase clarity and authority. Faster speeds add urgency and excitement. Small tweaks go a long way, so nudge it gradually. Use stability to balance consistency versus expressiveness. Higher stability keeps the voice steady and on script, great for instructions and product explainers. Lower stability adds variation in tone and pacing, which can feel more dramatic or character-driven. Similarity boost tells the model how closely to match the chosen voice's core character. Higher values cling tightly to that signature timbre. Lower values let it relax into a more neutral, conversational read. Aim for the middle if you want naturalness without losing identity. Style exaggeration amplifies the voice's expressive style. Increase it for a bolder, more emotional delivery, or keep it modest for professional reads. Again, subtle changes often sound most authentic. When everything looks good, click Generate. Give it a moment to process, then listen to the preview from start to finish. If a word doesn't land quite right, refine your prompt punctuation or wording and generate again until the flow feels spot on. That's it. Your audio script is now rendered in a clear, polished voiceover using OpenArt.